Hey everyone, welcome to the Dimidrone channel, and today we're gonna visit one of the many beautiful castles in Latvia. This one is called Birini Palace. The Neo-Gothic Birini Castle is located on a hill overlooking an old parks and nature trails and will tell you some interesting historical legends. Until the early 20th century, in the vicinity of the Birini Castle there was a famous Birini Manor. The manor received its name in honor of John Birini von Helmstedt, who fed Turēda, Cesis, Limbaži and many other significant Latvian places, from troops of Ivan IV by using his military units and wit, after which he became a folk hero and received the manor in his property. In ancient times, it was a place where the leaves lived. They called the hill Koldesēle, which means sand dune mountain. Renaissance features dominate in the appearance of the Birini Castle. The spacious lobby is adorned with splendid oak stairs. The rooms have high ceilings and exquisite tile stoves. The atmosphere and the air of the castle is saturated with the spirit of antiquity. The Birini Castle keeps a legend about the mysterious destinies of the family Pistol Course. It is a love story in which two young people, the castle owner's son and a maid, fell in love with each other, but were abandoned to death because they could not live without each other. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching, keep traveling and discover new locations. Bye bye.